It is always a good day when there's a Stich Fix box outside of my front door. And that was yesterday, so today we're going to find out what's in it. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to do clothing unboxings, shopping hauls, try-ons, that type of thing. If you enjoy that kind of fashion content, then I hope you will hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, then you'll always know when I put out a new video. And if you like this video, please give me the like, leave me a comment. All of those things help me grow my channel and I really do appreciate it when you do them. Stich Fix is like the OG subscription styling service. They send you 5 pieces, although sometimes they'll give you the option because they give you a preview of getting up to 8. So I did choose a couple things from my preview, can't remember because it's been a while. And I do think this was a quick turnaround fix. They send you a bag to return the things that you don't want to keep. You get a note from your stylist and your price list, and you get a bundle. And we have got some pretty colors. Looks like some white denim, and I think I did choose that. Some blue, some white sweatery looking, and yeah, let's just find out what's in it. So I finally launched my my Etsy shop. I know I said in my last video that by the time you saw it, I will have launched in real life. I launched it two days ago, and I've sold 2 quilts already, so I'm super excited. Excuse me, got a frog in my throat. First up, we have a black and white. It is a ribbed top by Staccato. It is the long sleeve ribbed Boatneck knit top. This looks like black and white. It says navy. I guess it could be navy. It looks black. Very nautical, soft. Let's see what it's made of. Does it have any slits at the bottom? No, I don't think so. It is 80 polyester, 16 rayon, and 4 spandex. So that looks like a possibility. And then we've got, this must be a 2-piece outfit. It's by Market & Spruce. It is the 2-pack Jenna soft V-neck tee. So it's got slightly rounded hem, the V-neck. It looks like it might be tunic length. It's very soft, and it is made of 95% rayon, 5 spandex. This one is in this pretty burgundy color that I love. And then I guess the other one is the same. That's weird. I've never gotten anything like that from Stich Fix before where it's like a 2-pack. This is like a charcoal gray and then the same. Interesting. Okay, this is pretty. Montgomery Post Rowyn lace trim pullover. And this is a sweater, but you see it's got like this eyelash lace trim, and it's a V-neck, soft, long sleeves, banded at the bottom. And let's see what this is made of. This is a good box. Sorry, I keep clearing my throat. 50 rayon, 30 polyester, 20 nylon, and feels pretty soft. I'm excited to try that on. What size is it? Extra small. Okay, next we have the Skechers Skechluxe Elevated Crewneck top, and it is in, oh, it had one of those little packets in it. It is in this really pretty blue. It's in that like scuba material that just really soft. I really like it. It's got the hem is interesting. It's got a little slit, it's a little rounded. It's got some stitching and just a crew neck. So that looks promising. Love the color. And then we have that STS Blue Riley Slim Boyfriend. Now I had been looking for boyfriend jeans in white, and I ended up getting some from Cut from the Cloth. So we'll try these on as well. Sorry, I'm editing out my throat clearing. If you haven't tried Stich Fix, I will go ahead and leave my link below. That'll give you $25 off. There's a $20 styling fee, so that would waive your styling fee, and then you would have $25 to apply to anything that you purchased. Let's take a look at my note. It's always tricky to hide the prices. My stylist is Marcia. She does a great job. I've had her for a couple of years. Happy Fix Day! I see that you chose the white STS Blue Slim Boyfriend jeans from your preview. These are such a versatile staple and will pair beautifully with the navy knit top from Staccato that I've included in this fix. I noticed your feedback about tunic tops and sweaters, so I included a few options for you to consider. The set of Market and Spruce V-neck tees are soft everyday essentials to wear with jeans or joggers. The off-white Montgomery Post pullover with lace trim adds a touch of femininity and pairs well with jeans too. It will layer well under a jacket or cardigan. Lastly, the light purple Skechers top is a great casual option to try with leggings. Let me know how these pieces work for you, and if there's anything specific you'd like me to keep an eye out for next time. I look forward to your try-on. Marcia's so sweet, she watches my videos. I don't consider that purple. Let me know in the comments what you think. I consider that blue. Maybe a periwinkle, which leans towards purple, but when I saw that, I immediately thought blue. Okay, let's try some things on. Can't forget outfit of the day. So I am wearing these jeans, are STS Blue, and I got them in a fix a couple times ago, and they have become my favorite jeans. I just love them. I feel like they're a nice, fresh style. I like the kind of bleached out stripe down at the bottom. I like the straight leg. They're really comfortable. So yeah, these are from STS Blue, just like those white denim that I got this time. And then the top is that sweater that I got from a Wantable. It's 78 and sunny, and I have worn this a ton this year. Our weather has been we had some really cold days, and now we have had what we like to call in Colorado false spring. It's been in the 60s. It's just been gorgeous, and we're going to get snow on Tuesday, so I'm going to enjoy it while I can. All right, let's go ahead and try these things on. Okay, so I wanted to try on the sweater first with the lace neckline because that's so pretty. It is a kind of a looser fit. I'm pretty sure it was an extra small. So it's a little bit boxy. You know, I suppose I could do the front tuck. No, that looks dumb. So it has, I mean, that's just so pretty. That's from the side, that's from the back. I'm concerned about the quality because I can already see some pilling, and you know, I got a sweater earlier in the winter. It really nice quarter zip blue sweater, and I was a little worried about the quality, and I was right. That thing is started pilling almost immediately. So I'm a little nervous that this would do the same thing. And I also feel like it's a little bit baggy, which would be okay. I mean, wear it with some skinny jeans, I think it would be fine, but I'm concerned about the quality. So this is the first one. Let's keep going. So these are the STS Blue boyfriend jeans. They are rolled up a couple times. I'm gonna roll them down so you can see because they are kind of a crop look there. They are a mid-rise. They are below my belly button, and it is giving me some muffin top. I like these jeans. I am, however, not sure that they are different enough than the Cut from the Cloth boyfriend jeans that I already have to justify purchasing them. So they fit. Little muffin top because of where they hit. The problem with that is if I go up a size, then they sag. So I just like a higher rise. But I know boyfriend cut is, you know, that's where the rise is. All right, let's talk about the top because I love the top. Okay, it is this Boatneck, and it is navy and white striped, so it's very, very nautical look. I think it looks super cute with the white jeans, and it's very thin, ribbed, perfect for Colorado spring because you just never know what you're going to get. March is our snowiest month, and yeah, so some days are going to be like today where this would be perfect, you know, mid 60s, and then some days we get blizzards. So this would be really good for this time of year. So I think this top is almost certainly going to be a yes. All right, I am going to put some leggings on, and we are going to try those tunic tops. So I put my leggings on, and first this this pretty blue top. Love, love, love the color. Love the material. It does not pass the leggings test though. So it comes, I mean, doesn't cover the crotch, doesn't cover the bum. And I like that rounded, and then the stitching, but let me adjust the camera. I don't love the neck. I don't love the crew neck. And it's kind of boxy, so it's not going to work with leggings, and I don't love the rest of it enough to keep it, and that's too bad because I love this color and I love the material. But even, you know, if it had like a V-neck, I would consider it, and I would just wear it like with jeans, but I just don't, you know, I do wear crew necks, but with this shirt, I don't like the crew neck, how that looks. All right, let's try on the other tops. Okay, so this does not pass the tunic length either. This is, yeah, it's just, definitely doesn't cover the bum. It's just a plain, you know, it's nice, it's soft, but it's really just a plain top. And it's got the rounded hem, V-neck, which I like, but it's nothing special. I don't think that I will keep it just because it's not sparking joy. It's fine, it's a nice top, it's soft. It would be good for like yoga. I think it would be fine for that, but I don't feel the need to add it to my wardrobe. So I'll go ahead and try on the charcoal gray one just so you can see that one as well. So I'll put my jeans back on, and it's, you know, the same shirt, just in a different color. I did have a thought though that these shirts, we'll have to see what the price is. These shirts would be good for biking, when I bike outdoors on, you know, cooler days, because they're both dark, so they would, you know, absorb the sun when it's sunny, and that can get hot. But I like to cover up my arms when I'm biking. You know, when it's hot, I don't, but because then I don't have to put sunscreen on my arms. So we'll see how much they cost. But this is the gray one. And you know, when I first opened everything up, I thought, oh my goodness, we might have a 5 for 5. And yeah, let's do prices in a recap because it's not going to be a 5 for 5. So those were some good picks. Let's talk about prices. So these 2-pack of tops were the Market & Spruce Jenna soft V-neck, whatever, soft V-neck tee. They were extra small petites. Always appreciate it when she gets me petites because the arms fit better. These are $59 for the 2 of them, which I think is more than I would want to spend. I know that's only, you know, comes to only about $30 a shirt, but the only thing I can think of that I would wear them for is biking, and I just don't know that I want to spend $59 right now for that. Yeah, maybe, but I'm probably going to send these back. If they had been less expensive, I probably would have kept them. The Staccato long sleeve rib boat neck knit is, oh my goodness, $26.97. That's a sale price, and I love this. I am going to keep this for sure, and wow, that is great. That is amazing, because I really liked it, and that is an amazing price, so yay. You know, and this is probably the only thing I'm going to keep, but if I keep one thing that I absolutely love, I consider that box a total win. I'd rather keep one thing that I am thrilled about than keep all 5 things that I'm only about. The STS Blue Riley Slim Boyfriend Jean, these are 62, and they were cute. Got some black fuzzies on them. And I forgot to roll them down for you, sorry. They hit like right above the ankle. They're just not different enough from my cut from the cloth boyfriend jeans. The Montgomery Post Rowyn lace trim pullover is $55. And I liked it, I didn't love it, and I'm worried about the quality, because just looking at it, I imagine it's gonna pill really easily. All right, so that's going back. And then the Skechers top is $44. They're calling this light purple. I love the color and the material, just really enjoying this material. I didn't like the neckline, and it was just kind of, it looked like a sweatshirt, so it wasn't, it wasn't special enough. But yay, the piece I love the most is on a fabulous sale. So the Stylist Pick subtotals is $246.97. The buy 5 discount takes off 25%, which is $61.74, bringing it down to $185.23, which is not bad for all 5 items. I do not pay a per box styling fee because I have the Style Pass, which I don't think they're offering anymore. But when you pay the $20 styling fee, that does get applied to anything that you purchase, and if you don't purchase anything, then you would be out that $20. If I had paid that $20, oh, I've got my heater on and it's blowing my paper away, then this would only be an additional $6.97. So if you haven't tried Stich Fix, go ahead and use my link and try it, and let me know what you think. All right, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to share with you. If you haven't checked out my quilt shop, I certainly hope that you will. It is Bundle of Joy Baby Quilt. I had a different name picked out, but then when I went to sign up, Betsy said that name's already taken. And there's no shop by that name, but I guess somebody has claimed it. Anyway, that's what I am up to these days. Here comes Lucy. Yep. I know some of you like to see her. Yeah, my main focus these days is making quilts and working on my business that I'm excited about. I'm enjoying it. All right, tell me how you're doing. Leave me a comment and what you're up to these days. And thank you so much for watching my video. I really do truly appreciate it. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.